You can't beat a good cup of tea.
Mr. Nunn.
Oh, sorry. Maths is so fun with Mr. Nunn and my flowery shirts. What are we learning today? Well, today we're going to learn about long multiplication.
Yay!
Hooray! But first, let's look at my shirt for today. This is one of its kind in my collection. This is a Paul Smith shirt, which I'm told are very uber trendy. Only one I've got. And it, again, I cheapened it a bit. I got it from eBay, around about 20 quid. But one of my favourites. Back to the maths. Okay, we're going to look at how you do long multiplication, and that's when you've got kind of figures with quite a few digits in. We've got 372 times 56. So I'm going to take you through the stages of how to calculate that. Okay, let's set it out this way. 372, usually the biggest number at the top, usually makes sense to me, multiplied by 56. Now we do it in three stages really. We find out what 6 times the top number is, what 50 times the top number is, and then we add those together. So it's kind of a three-stage operation here. Okay, let's do the 6 times 372. 6 times 2 is
12.
Brilliant, carry the 1. 6 times 7 is 42. Good, plus the 1, 43. Let's take the 4 into the hundreds. And 6 times 3 is
18.
18. Brilliant, plus the 4, which is 22. So if it was just 6 times 372, that would be your answer, 2,232. But it's not. Let's just take those out so we don't get confused now. We're now going to find out 50 times 372. Because 5's in the tens column, we need to put a 0 in our units. And we start the process again. 5 times 2 is
10.
good. Put a 0 there in the 1 in hundreds column. 5 times 7 is
35.
good. 35 plus the 1 is 36. Carry forward the 3 to the thousands column. And 5 times 3 is
50.
plus the 3 equals 18. Brilliant. Let's just rub those out now, because otherwise it gets a bit confusing for us. And now we just have to add them together, because 50 times 372 would be that 18,600. Let's add them together. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 0 is 3, 2 plus 6 is 8, 2 plus 8 is 10, 1 forward and it's 2. So your answer to that calculation is 20,832. Okay, let's get you to try one at home, and while I'm drinking my tea you can do it, and then I'll show you how to do it and see whether you got it right or not. So what should I challenge you with today? Let's see, let's go for 723 multiplied by 46. Okay, so have a go at that at home while I'm drinking my tea, and we'll check it out in a minute. Off you go. Lovely. Okay. Right, here we go. 723 multiplied by 46. First you do the 6 times 723. 6 times 3 is
18.
18. 6 times 2 is
12.
and we've got the additional 1 there, so that's 13. And 6 times 7 is 42, plus the 1, 43. So 6 times 723 is 4,338. Let's take those out so we don't get confused. Okay, next, because we're multiplying by 40, we put a 0 in the units column. 4 times 3 is
12.
good. Go for 1. 4 times 2 is
8.
plus the 1, which is 9. And 4 times 7 is 28. Good. 28. And we didn't have anything to take forward there, did we? No, we didn't. So 28. Good. So we found out what 40 times 723 is. Now we just have to add those two figures together to get 46 times 723. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 9 is 12. Take them forward. 4 plus 8 is 12, plus the 1, 13, and 1 on there, 3. So, the answer to that computation, 723 times 46, should be 33,258. And if you got that, you got it right. Anyway, all I've got to say now is thank you so much to my posse, who are B, Gracie, Hattie and Jessica. And maths is so fun with Mr. Nunn and my flowery shirts. That's enough today.